Easter Monday came alive right here in our backyard in Nnewi. And oh, what a night. Trend Hotel and Suites, that fine new spot in town, turned up the heat with a celebration that shook the ground.
Ladies and gentlemen, listen, all this thing is vanity, but let me put it on. Vanity said, for the vanity, choose your vanity. I said, choose your vanity. Vanity. I said, choose your vanity.
Picture this, Trend Hotel and Suites, sparkling like a festival, welcomed everybody, family, friends, and those aunties would dance better than you. This isn't just a hotel, it is where Nnewi comes to shine. Then, the big guns came out. Professor Onye Egwu, our own high life legend, was dropping a kanka and pyramid set like it was his backyard. And Ejyke Nwa Mba, chai, that Ogene master had us dancing like masquerade at a moonlight party. The crowd, we lost it. From young to old, everybody was catching the groove. You could feel the Igbo spirit in the air, pure love, pure unity. The kind of night that makes you proud to call Nnewi home. Trend Hotel and Suites, this place is home away from home. Want to throw a big party, wedding, or just chill? They've got you. Come see why Nnewi is talking about this sport.
Giving it for real, please.
Big thanks to Professor Onye Egwu, Ejyke Nwa Mba, and Trend Hotel and Suites for this Easter Monday to remember. Keep your eyes on those spots for more jollification.
But I so much love this vanity. Teach you can protect your sanity. So that you will save you from poverty. With the danger, you will make you celebrity.